We'll start. So this is Thursday, the 3rd of August or April, sorry, the other A month. So the question is to charge for Zoom calls. The system can do a fee in a couple different ways. So you can create the product in payments, and then you can either have them sign up in a form on a website, or you can do a calendar where you can charge in the calendar event.
Okay.
Um, So let me show you that one. I'll open your account. I think I can do that here and then share my screen. All right, Mark, you see your account?
Yep.
So payments is one place where you can go and put products in here, and then you can add those products either to an order form page or a form or contract. But if you
Okay.
want to do it through a calendar, the other option is to create like a Zoom webinar. No, we don't want to do it in here. So we go up here to calendar settings, and it opens up your calendar events and create a calendar, and you go down to more and I would do it here under webinars because you're talking about Zoom. So do a class
Okay.
booking, name it what you want, and you can put the availability as nothings. Like you could turn all of these off, like you're going to have it a specific hour every week or every month or something.
Right.
Have your Zoom connected, or you can just put in here, like this one is learnachievesystems.com. So it would just send them that link, for example, and I'll delete this when we're done. We're going to do, let's say it's a 60-minute. We have to put it in here, Zoom Silver Dragon. And we're going to say there's 100 seats. So confirm. Oh, it doesn't like something. I didn't put names in here. Zoom with Mark to put it on your calendar. So your calendar has to be connected so it can know if you're busy or not.
Okay.
And then in here, click edit, and under forms, you can change the form here if you want to ask other questions. But all the way down at the bottom, you can say accept payment. You do have to have your
Okay.
Stripe or something connected for that to work.
Okay.
And that would, it's, I don't know if you're charging per visit, like if it's one time and they pay, or if it's a recurring. I think this is just a one-time cost.
Okay. Well, I was debating on several people have come and tried it out, going, I like this, but my schedule won't let me, make it every time. Do you have like a punch card?
Oh,
And I'm like going, ah. So that was what I was trying to figure out how I could get something accomplished like punch cardish.
I have seen some chatter about punch card kinds of things for like coaching calls, like you sell a coaching package and you get 6 calls with it. So let me
Right.
go back and review those, and I will send that out to you.
That'd be wonderful.
So that, yeah, let me do some research on that one.
Okay.
How are
And
you, Nisha?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Doing good.
I had two questions. So I reviewed the video that you sent me, so thank you very much for that. I haven't had a chance to do all the updates, but I'm still not understanding how I go about because I have an iCloud. Like I look at my calendar, I just want one calendar right now, right? Like I know that you can create different ones.
Right.
I don't know how to link my existing like iCloud calendar to this platform so that that happens through this then gets updated in that calendar. Do you know what I mean?
Yep, let me show you. Let me see what if I can answer some of that. I'll pull your account open
Yeah,
here.
right now I'm just starting with one calendar because I just want to get one going so I can get
Um,
rid of Calendly.
so in settings under integrations, you make sure that's connected. So go here and connect oh, this is Google.
I have an iCloud. I'm an iCloud.
Yeah, let me log into your account a different way. So I want to log in as you so I can't see your profile page unless I log in as you. So it's
Gotcha.
going to take me just a second to pull up your personal profile so I can show you where to do that. Of course, it wants my code.